Hi guys, I arrived in Cebu on April 23 at 2 in the morning. We stayed in One Central Hotel. My niece and her husband was already there. I picked this hotel because it's near Ocean Jet Pier 1. The hotel has also a mall. It's called One Central Mall. Breakfast was included, so I enjoyed the food, and we went to the 11th floor where there is a swimming pool. You can see the CC Lex Bridge there. Naalala ko tuloy si Miss Universe Cebu na si Stephanie doon nagrampas sa bridge. Anyway, nag-rest lang ako ng umagang yun at sa gabi pumunta ako ng Sugbo Mercado. Namiss ko ang kumain ng ganito, so naghanap ako ng barbecue, yung Mang Inasal style. So nakita ko si Mr. Bones. So I ordered barbecue chicken and also grilled tuna. Kasama ko ang pamangkin ko at ang asawa niya. Balak din namin pumunta ng Tops, so may sakayan pala malapit sa Sugbo Market. Punuan din yung bus. Mura lang naman ang bayad ng bus at kasama na rin yun sa entrance fee ng Tops. Makita mo ang city lights ng Cebu City sa the Tops. I think maganda rin dito pumunta ng umaga kasi I really like blue sky, white clouds, and sunny day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Paalam!